of pinching here at the base of the skull on the first vertebrae, C1. So that can cause headaches, migraines, dizziness. It controls your energy levels and your sleep patterns too, bro.
That's probably why I'm always tired then.
So we're gonna clear these. Yeah, you're stiff, dude.
I always sound like you have a big neck because I can't do it, man.
Relax it there.
Oh. See, he cracked it on the first try.
How many tries do we need, bro?
She can't crack my neck. She tries.
Sometimes I really have to dig in there to be able to do it.
Oh, drop.
Oh.